Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's your girl Shugs, the queen of recipe, here today to share with you my jerk marinade, aka green seasoning. Okay guys, so here I have some fresh thyme, some green onions, some garlic, some white onion, some jalapeno pepper, and I'll be using just one of these. You can use bell peppers or sweet pepper. Here I have some Scotch bonnet, some brown sugar, salt, black pepper, vinegar, and lemon. I'm also going to be using some olive oil and some garlic stem. So first guys, what we're gonna do, we're just gonna prepare all of our seasoning, and then we're gonna combine them, blend them, spice them up. So in here, where is this little cup? So in here guys, I have some, if you can see under the bottom, I don't know if you can see, but I have some pimento seeds mixed with herbs. You can use any herb. You can use Italian herb mixed with oregano. So this is what we will be using today, okay? Okay, so here I have all my hot peppers with the seeds. If you don't like your marinade too hot, you can always remove some of the seeds. So what I'm doing, I'm going to remove the seeds from the jalapeno peppers. And because we're gonna blend these guys, I don't really have to cut them up. Don't really have to cut them up. You can just cut them in two after you remove all the seeds. You don't want too much seeds as well in your marinade. This one is good for your jerk chicken, basically anything, to be honest. Anything that you want to have a lot of pepper or some heat, you can put this on your curry goat. Guys, this is gonna be a good one for the Christmas season. I'm making this to make my Christmas dinner, and I thought, why not share it with you guys? Okay guys, so I'm finished with my jalapeno peppers. So now I'm just gonna prepare the rest of my seasoning, and I'm doing the same for this big guy right here. I'm just taking out the seed, and remember, we're blending these guys, so it doesn't matter how you cut them, to be honest. So I'm taking out the seeds of these as well. Lovely. I cut our onions in like 4. Just gonna cut up all of them. I'm using, how much is this? 2, 4, 5, 6 onions. You don't have to use so much if you just need a small amount. Don't have to. You can just cut the quantity of onions and peppers that I am using. So like for the small onions, you can just cut them in 2, like so. And then the bigger ones, you cut them in 4. So for the garlic, we don't need to cut our garlic. So our onion stems, we're just gonna dice these up like probably in 6 pieces. There you go. And you can combine all of your seasoning in one bowl or one plate, because basically everybody's going to blend together. So for the thyme and the scallion, we're gonna only cut the scallion again, and we just wanna cut them in like big chunks, guys. As I'm saying, we're gonna blend these. So like so. And then our garlic and our thyme can go in the same way, as well as our seasoning, that our Italian herbs that we have here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm using my small blender, so I'm going to do this in portions. So I'm gonna put a bit of every type of seasoning that I have. So I'm putting in my garlic stem, some of my green onion, my hot pepper, piece of that, onions, some of this, okay. So now I'm gonna put some of my garlic, some thyme, and as I'm saying, I'm doing it in portions, so I'm putting a bit of everything. And I'm going to add a little bit of brown sugar, about a tablespoon of brown sugar, about a teaspoon of salt, some black pepper, about a teaspoon, I'll be using some of my olive oil, lemon juice, and I'm using this lemon juice, guys. If you have real lemon, you can squeeze some lemon just so you can have the juice. And I'll be using some vinegar, guys. I want to use vinegar because the vinegar helps to preserve your green seasoning. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna blend this together. Okay, so we're just gonna blend this. Okay guys, so we are done blending. That's it. Let's look and see how this is looking. Okay, so we're just gonna pour out our marinade, and this is what it is looking like, guys. It is looking lovely, guys. I forgot to put one ingredient in this, but don't worry, we're gonna put it in our second batch, and then we're gonna combine everything together. I forgot to put some ginger. So we're going to put the ginger in our marinade, the second batch, because we still have the second batch to blend. So we're going to put the ginger in the second batch, and then we're going to combine everything together. Okay, so that's basically what your marinade will be looking like either way. So we're going to prepare the second batch, put some ginger in there, and get it all nice and incorporated. So here guys, we have our ginger now, so we're going to add all of our ginger to this batch because we are going to combine everything after. So we're going to add the rest of our onions and peppers and our garlic, and our peppers. And guys, after you blend this, it's gonna reduce, and then I can add some more and blend it again to the same mixture. So we're gonna add our black pepper, about a teaspoon again, our salt, lemon juice, brown sugar, something sweet, something tangy. And last but not least, our vinegar. And I put vinegar, as I'm saying, guys, because the vinegar helps to preserve and also helps to blend also. And when you start blending this, it's gonna reduce. When it reduces, I'm gonna add the pepper that I have left. I'm gonna add the rest of peppers, just a small amount of peppers we have left. So I'm going to add those after it reduces. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so we're gonna blend our second batch, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. When you start blending, it's going to reduce. Okay guys, so basically what I'm talking about is, see, so it reduces. So what you do at this point, you put the rest of your whatever you have left, like your peppers, or if you had onions left, you put the rest of that so it can hold at that point. And then you blend this again. Okay guys, so I am just combining the first set with the second batch, because we didn't have any ginger in our first set. So you just want to combine everything nicely, guys. Yes, and this is our jerk marinade. Tell me what you think about this. Remember to leave me a thumbs up, guys. Like, share, comment. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscription button. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, stay safe.